Hi, this is Mike Hendrickson from Strata Data in New York City. I'm here with Prasad from Lenovo and Stewart from IBM. Prasad, how has this event been for you?
It's pretty good, a lot of excitement. This is Lenovo major conference for big data. So we are at Lenovo Data Center Group. So we have servers, storage and networking, and we work with all the major ISVs in the big data space, and what we build called a certified reference architecture. And in addition to reference architecture, we got something unique solutions, which we work with the partners like IBM. So I want to introduce Stewart Tate for our F1 solution. He's the chief data designer from IBM. So he's going to talk through about the F1 solution.
Before we get to the F1 solution, let's talk a little bit about how has the audience been this week here for you guys? Is it a good audience for you?
Yeah, pretty excited. They want to know what Lenovo is offering in the big data space and some of the solutions what they want. So on the big data especially, we have unique solutions that no other hardware vendor is kind of offering that. And this is something unique to the industries, solving something real-time problems, real customer problems. That is pretty exciting.
So you have different offerings in the booth here this week, right?
Right.
So what are you showing people around here?
So we are showing up a certified reference architecture. What we ship it as an integrated system. It's racked, stacked, and cabled, and that is a virtual rack. That uses an SR650. It is the foundation for our big data reference architecture. In addition to that, we have a cloud era reference architecture right behind the screen, and this is a MapR and SAP partner solution. And here we have a IBM and Hortonworks partner solution.
So let's unpack the IBM Hortonworks thing. You call it F1?
We call it F1.
What does F1 stand for?
Well, there's
anything?
a reason for that, because it's fast.
High performance.
It is exceptional.
Okay.
So we did something special here. We took a very difficult problem. Handling hundreds of billions of rows, hundreds of terabytes of data. We not only put the best hardware to bear with our partners at Lenovo and Intel, but we brought the best software to bear. Technology from IBM and Hortonworks to deliver something exceptional.
So you have a metal stack and you have a software stack.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, exactly right.
And they're both high performance, and that's
They are
the
both
F1?
high performance, and when you put them together, you get something exceptional.
And what are the types of industries or companies that are going to be adopting these really highly performant?
We see customers in financials, in insurance, in retail. In fact, the example we give on the F1 compares the data volumes in our test to Amazon, one of the largest retailers in the world. So we took a very challenging workload with our partners. We didn't know if we'd be successful or not, and we climbed that mountain together. And here's the solution. So we're here to share it with people, and it's pretty exciting.
And what are people saying when you show them and
They're a little shocked and surprised that you can take Hadoop and Spark with that much data and get those faster results. The F1 is literally 5 times faster than the traditional Hadoop or Spark cluster. And because I'm from California, it's got to save energy.
Okay.
So it uses all state-of-the-art components from Lenovo, from Intel, that now save energy and give you higher performance.
And is this available now?
It is.
And how do people find it?
Well, they can contact our friends at Lenovo,
Right.
okay?
Or F1
Or
Big Data?
we've got our own little web app where you can go out and run your own queries against the F1 cluster. So you go to f1bigdata.com, select one of the 99 queries that you'd like to run against 100 terabytes, and it gives you the performance results.
Wow. So that's where people can find out more. Where do you guys see this partnership going in the future? What is the future of high performance computing like this?
So what we are working with IBM is to roll out something called F1 Analytics Platform. Under that platform, we are going to solve the industry problems for DB2 data warehouse, big data, and machine learning. So under one platform, we are solving multiple use cases. And this will be very useful for customers who is trying to solve a data warehouse problem or a big data problem. They are trying to, reduce the storage cost and adopt the big data, or they want to go into the advanced category of machine learning. So we are kind of combining all these three benefits into one platform, and working with IBM, we are able to plan to roll it out.
So let me understand this whole architecture. This is Intel in the chips.
Yep.
This is Lenovo at the hardware layer, and this is IBM at the software integration layer.
Right, so it's not only Hortonworks that we love, but it's Big SQL, our commercial database for Hadoop, and it's our data science experience.
Excellent.
Okay?
Excellent. So if we were to have this conversation 12 months from now, where would you like to see F1 12 months from now? What would you like to be different then than it is now?
Oh, we think it's going to be ubiquitous.
Okay.
Absolutely ubiquitous. Okay, we know that computers are headed towards faster CPUs, more cores, more memory, solid state storage. We know that that's what's going to evolve. So the question is are you going to get a competitive advantage if you use it now?
So what we are doing is taking advantages of latest innovations in the hardware, the faster processor, faster storage, faster networking, and combining with the latest innovations in the software, the Spark, the big SQL, data science, machine learning, and wrapping up this as an integrated solution and going after solving an industry problems, which will be more important for the customers to go and address it, right?
And so many of the problems that we're trying to solve really do rely on performance. So this is, I think, really good.
So
They do.
the key USPs of performance, energy efficiency, and this fact that it comes as an integrated system, pre-packaged, certified, integrated system. So the customers have this solution up and running within a shorter period of time. So it's a faster time to deployment, key aspect as well.
Excellent. So Prasad, we look forward to that 12-month visit, and Stewart, we look
thank you.
forward
It's good to
talking
meet
next
you.
year. Thank you.